Sorry for the wind noise, tubers. Litchfield Fair. Some old farm equipment, old wheels, old seat. That looks like that could be painful. Some old equipment. Hairs. That equipment actually looks pink.
Yeah, it does look pink, but it used to be red. It used to actually be
old vintage stuff, old saw.
Bradley.
Old John Deere engine. Wheelbarrows, wagons. You got some funny dude type thing in front of this barn on display. I guess that's the Purple People Eater. That's actually rather unique. I like that. And got some Bondo and fiberglass there and stuff. They're using it for repairing. It's all good stuff. Ain't that neat though. Yeah, some more equipment. See here in this barn, some brand new bikes. They're having some sort of a drawing here at the Litchfield Fair. See, it says Litchfield Fair Bicycle Drawing. Science rip, but we got new stuff. Later.